In today's quick video, I'll show you how to add your email address to WhatsApp. This is super useful if you want extra security or an easier way to recover your account. First, open your WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're already logged into your account. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner, or go to Settings at the bottom right if you're using iPhone. Now, go to Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account, then select Email Address, or sometimes it appears under Security Options depending on your version. Now simply enter your email address carefully. Make sure it's an email you actually use because you may need it later for verification or recovery. WhatsApp might send you a verification code to your email. Just check your inbox, copy the code, and enter it here. Then tap on Verify. And that's it. Your email is now successfully added to your WhatsApp account. Adding an email helps keep your account secure, especially if you ever lose access to your phone number. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.